Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. My fan all over the world. Yeah, you're me better Kedwini and Martin. I know it's been a while. I know a lot of my fans has been sending me messages. Pretty B, where are you? Why are you so quiet? Ever since the pay series, we're not seeing you around and stuff like that. I've been busy. As human being, pete muje machele can. Ipape kan kuija bedo kati muje mapol. Sa no ne kado romo. Kong daga duga yum twin fans ba mega. Yeah, I'm here. I have a special project. Ma nial matina no ne. Mera luong kong Mr. Rup Kong. Warup Karachel. Twa. So this project was done, it's a collaboration and Pretty Bay, Watimu with my brother, Kitty Face, Kid Studio, my mega generation for Jesus. This time around, Atamuna Kilgana Nyan. So we did a very beautiful gospel song. It's actually my first ever gospel song. And the title is Kijapaluba. It's just about praising God, appreciating God, pingoma enoti mekwa wa inge chalo dana polkar watimu jemi wa wilo ki foilo ba but wero in ki an wa yue furi ni an wanta ka palo ba. So I know an chalo Pretty Be, I've been through challenges chalo dana and I know it's high time for me to appreciate him because honestly Luba has been so fair to me all the way from day one. The blessing man know from him did, and I really appreciate him. So it's really a beautiful song. For you love it. And I want to appreciate my brother Kitty first because he was the producer and we did it together. It's a beautiful song. Yes. Kija Paloba. I'm dropping it today. And I think in 2 to 3 weeks' time, I'll do the video. The video will be out too. But for today, it's an audio. Angepul fans mogo out there, magi town ha, pretty bit of where gospel where. Why one legend kido dark gospel ni la kubuku. No nga, me no what it je dark charo. But no, that's not the case. Chalo dana, premier will iloba. Pian whatever we do in life. Quality star, quality star, especially in our music world. You know, okay, the music world, wow. It's so tempting. There's a lot of challenges, and if you're not strong, ipone ruenyo. So whatsoever you do, you appreciate him. So fans, this is gospel song. Put it out to my way for what for you.